First boys episode of the year.
Yeah.
And Stewie is not here.
It's going to be a good one.
So I was found a replacement already.
Great start of the year, bro.
Much taller and handsome and strong.
Damn, bro, you would.
Sucking his dick. ये क्या हो रहा है?
Bro, honestly, on this podcast, whoever misses an episode, like they get shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just life, I feel, bro. Like कोई नहीं आता कोई इवेंट के लिए गांडी तो मारते हो मतलब.
हाँ.
Always bitch about someone who's not there.
ऐसा अगर एक दिन स्कूल नहीं जाते हो तो सब चीज वही दिन होता है.
Yeah, it's the most glorious day of school. कुछ तो होता है हमेशा.
तो Stewie is missing out. उसका स्टोरी देख रहा था मैं अभी. He's sitting at some waterfall.
So is he really missing
I
out?
texted him, bro. I was like, भाई कूदना मत, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's fine.
Yeah.
अकेले है क्या इस waterfall?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Why? ऐसा.
Sometimes you gotta do it, bro.
Sometimes you gotta sit there and look at
Ponder and think. अभी तो लोग वही कर रहे हैं. Everyone's back in 2016 now. Suddenly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is with the obsession with 2016?
So the whole idea is that 2016 was a fun year for most people. Now I don't know how it was fun for a lot of people, but I think only the people for whom it was fun, they're posting about it.
Right.
If anyone has had a bad year, I don't think they're posting or looking at it fondly.
Yeah.
And this used to be 2015 actually. 2015, everyone was like, oh, best year 2015. Now it's become 2016.
No, it's because of 2026.
हाँ.
It's a round off.
The round of 10 साल वाला वो.
हाँ.
तुम लोग ने डाले क्या फोटोज?
नहीं मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं photos.
Bro, डाला मैं. I found the comparatively the most मतलब less चूतिया looking photo and I put it and this is how I looked the entire year. Like वैसा डालना पड़ता है bro. वरना वो looking like चूतिया.
Bro, people are posting from anywhere. Like, they're posting pictures from any time that's not this year.
हाँ.
Calling it 2016.
नहीं ऐसे रैंडम लोगों का देखने में मेरे को मजा नहीं आया बट लाइक सम सेलिब्रिटीज एंड ऑल आर पोस्टिंग एंड लाइक G-Eazy
Oh wow.
who had come on the podcast, by the way, just saying.
Oh. What a plug-in. What a brand recall.
He had 2016 2015 was his like peak.
peak.
Prime
तो
G.
उसने वो photos डाले and he had photos with everyone like Britney Spears and like Skrillex, Mac Miller, ये सब के साथ. I was like fuck, like that was a great year for him.
Yeah.
What would you say was your prime? Like
Prime year?
हाँ चल 2020 तक पकड़ते हैं. Let's not go beyond 2020 तक.
Why can't one of these years be my prime or our prime rather?
Oh, before 2020 when
It's
was it?
harder to choose ना. Because like उसके बाद तो obviously we all have grown. The change has been drastic.
Which is your best pre-prime is what he's trying to ask.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Prime तो अभी चल रहा है.
Prime is
Prime
now.
तो
Prime is now.
Prime's got to be.
This is the first time like we have money.
Yeah.
First time we have gone to the gym consistently for
Yeah.
over 3 months.
You've been healthy.
First, yeah.
In healthy we have a lot of fun. Just
Prime
in
तो अभी
general.
चल रहा है, but before that, I think
Sir, before this year, fuck it. हाँ.
See, I'll tell you, 2016 was definitely not my finest year. Like,
Yeah, I'm right there with
like
you.
I think all of us or most of us have just picked up really bad habits. In
16 में मतलब जब 12th
we were just graduating from 12th, so just
Yeah.
picking up bad habits and doing some nasty shit.
Shit you should not be doing was being done in 2016. That's why we reminisce and like it so much.
Yeah.
Oh, तभी कुत्ते थे हम.
आज भी.
नहीं, but 26 I think 2015 भाई 12th standard जब चल रहा था I had a lot of fun.
Oh, you had fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Full, like I have never had so much fun than I had in 12th.
Really?
Because, yeah, bro, because everyone was like, oh, 12th is crazy, you have to study and
Yeah,
everything is
that's
determined on this. And at some point I was just like, भाई नहीं करता है ना, fuck it, like who cares, let's see what happens.
हाँ, 10 साल के बाद I'm going to make content.
हाँ मैंने बोला भाई, like it was too overwhelming that I was just like fuck it bro, नहीं करते हैं, like let's not.
Yeah.
Like दिन भर पढ़ाई नहीं करना है मेरे को, क्या होता है देखते हैं. And it, just like I started having so much fun.
So you don't have the pressure to perform well in studies? वो नहीं था क्या?
प्रेशर तो था भाई, मतलब घर पे माई पेरेंट्स हैव यूजुअली जस्ट like let me do whatever the fuck I want because end में I figure it out. Like historically speaking, like I was always end में कुछ तो करके. But 12th I promise you भाई, मैंने साइंस लिया था. मैं ट्यूशन के लिए जाता था. ट्यूशन like my tuition, I'll tell you how that guy used to teach. एक तो 12th के भी बच्चे, 8th के भी बच्चे, सब साथ में बैठे हुए. And he's teaching them one by one.
हाँ.
And he would just open a chapter and read it out.
हाँ.
just like read it out word for word.
Is this that guy who would beat the crap
Yeah,
out of him?
same guy. Same guy.
I just remember.
And then he would take a test the next day. Like वो पढ़ने के बाद I would be like, okay, now tomorrow I will take a test. So come prepared. ये हुआ पूरे साल भाई, पूरे साल यही हुआ. तो then it was just like formality. Sometimes we would go, sometimes we would not go. I didn't study bro. मतलब एग्जाम के पहले भी मैं जब बैठा जो 1-2 हफ्ते like you get 2 weeks ना 3 weeks to prepare like after prelims
2 weeks
and all.
to party and then 1 day to study after. before the exam.
तो वही किया है मैंने.
Yeah.
Then when I actually opened the book to study for the first time in that year, I was like, bro, this is too much. मतलब there is no way I can get it.
Learn all of this.
तो मैंने वो 21 most likely question वो
man.
लाया मैं बोला भाई ये भी ज्यादा है bro. ये भी
How about 5 most likely to come? ये book रहना तो मैं
How
पढ़
about what's the most likely exact?
एक question वही gamble में.
पेपर किधर है?
तो भाई कुछ नहीं हुआ. Then I was just like fuck it, like we'll go, we'll figure it out. I was like it's like fail नहीं होना है बस.
Yeah.
But you'd like have enough knowledge to clear your exams.
Bro,
with decent-
how much knowledge? तू फिजिक्स के पेपर में अगर बैठा है तो नॉलेज का क्या करेगा तू? They want like numbers and you to solve questions.
हाँ, but those you were capable of putting
No.
down.
Do you remember derivations?
I don't remember anything.
Differentiation वो वाला बात.
Derivation is like when they give you a formula and you have to show how this formula has come together. Like पूरा derive करके.
Prove it.
Hencho Oppenheimer है.
क्या हुआ है ना भाई ये सब
It's- It's done, man. Move on.
Yeah, but
तो
हाँ,
मैं जिधर एग्जाम के लिए गया था वहाँ पे वॉल पे someone had written like a bunch of formulas and answers but all jumbled. तो मतलब वो देख के भी तेरे को समझ में नहीं आएगा कि ये कौन से क्वेश्चन के लिए ये जवाब लिखना है.
हाँ हाँ.
तो मेरे को दूर से जो दिख रहा था आई जस्ट पुट इट ऑन द पेपर रैंडमली. आई वाज
for
लाइक
the
भाई
best.
या आई हैव गॉटन लाइक 36 37 लाइक barely passing in all subjects bro.
Good.
Have you guys ever gone to like ऐसा वो तुम लोग प्लान करके जाते थे क्या कि बाथरूम में ऐसा 10 बजे मिलना है and like gone there to cheat and then like come back to your class? Have you done that?
Cheating on your woman with another guy.
एग्जाम के बीच में भाई एग्जाम के बाद
मैं
कर
गया
लेता.
ब्रो 10 बजे
Exam के
गया
बाद कर लेता.
टाइम भी वेस्ट हो गया कोई चूतिया भी बाथरूम में तो सुसु भी नहीं आई थी ब्रो ऐसे ही जाके मैं आ गया ब्रो
His friends decided to betray him.
ब्रो फिर मैं फोर्सफुली जस्ट सुसु करके ही आ गया ही उतना
Might as well take a shit. Exam में भी आ गया.
वही कर रहा था ब्रो
बाथरूम में हगेगा तो पेपर में क्या करेगा?
मुतेगा. वही science और commerce.
ब्रो साइंस
Science?
या ब्रो
yeah,
Damn.
bro. 3 science guys here. Yugo was not science.
No,
No,
no.
You did commerce.
ironically we're doing nothing close to
Commerce.
science right now and
Yeah.
like, just-
Nee, this is a science that way.
How this works is a science.
bro people who take science I feel learn ki okay this is not for me like I feel most of us we realize कि okay लेने के बाद कि मैं I'm not
लेने के बाद
बाथरूम में.
एक second, finish
ए
that
भाई
sentence.
तुमने
लेने के बाद
समझते हैं कि नहीं चाहिए. That's disgusting, man.
double
That's
meaning.
fucking
You
awful.
jokes on steroids.
yeah, and also science also science
लेना है such a funny word bro.
Yeah,
लिया क्या तू? लिया क्या
हाँ,
तूने?
वो तुमने वो हनी सिंह का देखा क्या? दिल्ली के ठंडी में लेने में गाड़ी में लेने में बहुत मजा आता है.
हाँ, he's saying this on a show. And this apology is the funniest.
guys so मैंने एक चीज बोली which has been misunderstood by a lot of them
How did
तो
we
ऐसा
miss
बोलेगा तो
You didn't see his explanation.
No, I didn't see the apology.
yeah, he made like an apology video
भाई
He's saying मैंने देखा कि क्राउड में बहुत जेंजी
नहीं
लोग हैं,
ब्रो
हाँ?
ही इज लाइक मेरा एक क्लिप वायरल हो रहा है.
हाँ, हाँ.
वो एडिट करके एडिट तो नहीं हुआ था
Oh.
भाई वो फोन का फुटेज था एकदम क्लियर.
सिंगल टिक था ब्रो सिंगल टिक था
नहीं अभी सब AI है ना. अभी सब AI you can blame.
सो ही इज लाइक हाल ही में मैं डिनर के लिए बैठा हुआ था एक सेक्सोलॉजिस्ट के साथ.
हाँ.
तो वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि यंगर जनरेशन में STDs और काफ़ी सारे इन्फेक्शंस हो रहे हैं क्योंकि वो अनप्रोटेक्टेड सेक्स करते हैं.
और क्लिप में वो कॉन्डम बोला रहता है उसने.
हाँ ही इज लाइक यूज अ कॉन्डम. तो ही इज लाइक तो मैं जब ये करुण और नंकू के शो पे गया था एज ए गेस्ट मैंने देखा वहाँ पे काफ़ी जेंजी ऑडियंस आई हुई थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं उनके भाषा में ही जो OTT की भाषा होती है आजकल उसमें मैं समझाऊं उन्हें.
Like a politician, bro. Yes, police.
Gaslighting number pro.
अभी ठीक है, you fucked up, ठीक है ब्रो, तू ऐसा OTT वाला
OTT की गांड मार रहा
ये
है.
देश में भाई जो भी होता है कि OTT की गाने मारते हैं कि ये लोग की वजह से हो रहा है.
Good, smart answer
Yeah,
to.
yeah.
If you don't.
उसका डॉक्यूमेंट्री आया है खुद का Netflix पे.
हनी सिंह का?
उसका भी OTT पे ही है.
Too funny भाई.
Yeah.
It's like दिल्ली के ठंडी में लेने
में बहुत गाड़ी में लेने में बहुत मजा आता है. सर
Yeah.
He's like sex करो.
He said that.
हाँ bro.
Yeah.
Damn,
Yeah.
I didn't get to the end of this video.
It was
he
so
used
good.
every language possible and then he's like that's not what I meant. मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था.
Yeah. This-
भाई, these PR disasters are the best thing, bro.
There's too many happening, bro, right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That Parul Gulati thing was so very weird. That I don't know if that is PR or what it is. That
Oh, so are you talking about how like people are getting exposed?
yeah.
Yeah.
ये भी सब PR ही नहीं है.
What- Can you break it down?
So what I was on Instagram, I saw this clip where Parul is giving some sort of explanation for why Karan Aujla has followed her and then unfollowed her. And there were a lot of rumors that she was dating him, and she came to clear the air and tell Karan Aujla's wife that you have a good man who's he unfollowed me on because he's married to you and. And I'm like, why is this even being discussed? Like, so strange. I was like, ये सब PR नहीं है तो क्या है? Like right now, being seen is your currency. Now, if you're being discussed or anything is being said about you, or you are going and saying, that's like a meal ticket
Yeah.
for something bigger.
भाई, अभी ये पारुल का I've seen the video and I think like knowing Parul, I think she just came from a place की
Yeah.
ऐसा like everyone's getting thrown under the bus. She's like, okay, someone can defend also. Like, come on, defend this guy. But everyone, bro, like screenshots are coming out, cricketers, just random. A lot of it is तो भाई वो सिर्फ line मार रहे हैं, मतलब कुछ. But a lot of it is like कि भाई guys just don't know how to.
They don't have game.
I was
How
just
to
coming
speak
to
to a
that,
woman,
bro.
bro.
Because like you could be a really good cricketer, but I've heard this from a lot of female friends that cricketers have slid into their DMs, but they don't know how the fuck to flirt, or like they sound very crass in DMs.
हाँ, but उनको ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मैंने सेंचुरी मारा है लास्ट मैच में.
Bro, that also the fact that I feel they've not been around a lot of women.
हाँ.
Okay.
नेट में करके प्रैक्टिस लड़कों के साथ you have no female interaction.
Yeah, that's true.
So you
that's
have
very
no
true.
game. Like it's like that.
You have a game and it's not this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं, it's like I think एक बार वो it happens with just most people who become successful, like say financially.
Yeah.
Even a lot of like entrepreneurs. वो ऐसा गांड घिसा के business बनाते हैं, सब करते हैं. So in the process, like you're not talking girls, you're not meeting girls, and in your head you're like, जिस दिन मैं successful बनूंगा,
It should
that
come.
day all these girls will come to me.
And I
and
will
ये वो.
just send one message and it's done.
But it doesn't work like that, भाई. मतलब it might, but then it's just like you still need to know how to talk to a woman.
Yeah.
तो हमने इसका opposite route लिया है. We only know how to talk.
We don't know how to do anything else.
We'll make money. We'll make money.
Money तो बाद में आ जाएगा.
पैसा आएगा जाएगा भाई.
Yeah, that's true.
Be one, but at what cost?
But crazy how the women are also airing out all these things for clout, huh? Oh,
Is
see,
it?
this
नहीं,
one DM'd me. That
हाँ,
one
but-
DM'd.
हाँ भाई, मतलब वो भी
That's
थोड़ा
also weird only, bro.
अजीब ही है कि ठीक है, कर दिया तो कर दिया, अभी सीधा
So what?
डाल
He's a
दो.
guy, bro. He likes women. What's wrong with that? You know?
Is it like socially unacceptable now कि you see someone and you message them and you are living in fear of, oh, this is going to be a
अभी
story or this is going to be in
Of
someone's
course.
group
I am
chat.
living in fear, bro. मेरे बंदी ने मेरे को बताया है कि अगर तेरा निकला कभी she's like, you tell me now only. Is there anything
हाँ.
that will come out at some point?
बोल दिया तूने फिर.
अभी किस
Did you tell her everything?
मुंह से बोलूं भाई अभी? नहीं, but I've never been like a crass. I've hit on girls. Like I've obviously, matlab,
Yeah.
but that's
nothing that can be screenshotted and put on story. Like
No, anything can be screenshotted and put on
that's
story.
the problem, bro.
See,
Even
now
if
it
you're
is
nice.
it is down to the viewer's discretion to really dig deep and understand, okay, is there anything bad here? Is there anything wrong here?
It's not even about it being bad. It's just fun to say, oh, you saw this guy like DM'd this girl. Uska dekha kya?
What a loser.
People just love seeing someone like in a bad place.
yeah.
कि किसके साथ बुरा हो रहा है ना, अच्छा हुआ.
नहीं, मेरे साथ, क्योंकि मेरे
Shit
साथ भी
like
बुरा
that.
हो रहा है ना, तो उसके साथ भी बुरा हुआ है, तो अपन सेम है.
Yeah, that's true. And when it happens to a like famous person, they're like, I'm better than this guy, bro.
Yeah.
At least I'm not doing.
Yeah, what a dick.
A lot of this shit must be AI also. Bhai. How difficult is it to make a fake screenshot?
That is
Probably
actually
not that difficult.
Bro, voice notes also if you play, wo also it's like replicated very easily by so
Yeah, voice notes also.
Yeah, but I think in a case of an AI screenshot, it would be refuted very immediately. Right? Like if someone
Nahin,
puts a
but
Yugo screenshot.
they don't want to talk about it now because like it.
फिर that gives them more fuel. Right,
हाँ,
right.
जैसे जब वो विराट कोहली का हुआ था.
विराट कोहली का क्या हुआ?
विराट कोहली had like.
Oh हाँ, फिर अनलाइक किया उसने.
Avneet Kaur
bro.
का फोटो he had
Just
like
became
it
the
became
news.
like news. फिर उसने आके जब स्टोरी डाला it became worse. कि the algorithm registered an interaction.
Bro, but you know people track who follow who. Like Virat Kohli suddenly unfollowed this. I'm like, who the fuck keeps a track of these things, man? It's
Some
crazy.
hardcore fans, bro. That man has how many 500 million followers?
Hardcore unemployed fans.
Yeah.
है भाई अभी लोगों को they make them their whole world.
Yeah.
Who they follow, who they're kissing. It's always a big deal.
Yeah, whose photos they're liking.
Whose photos they're liking.
Kartik Aaryan.
Yeah, वो तो भाई.
Panic करके ही unfollowed, bro. He should.
हाँ, I mean,
Panic was necessary.
The panic unfollow is a bad move.
you either if you not or you try to justify, or you fucked
Panic
anyways.
unfollow and panic unsend. Two things a real
एक तो भाई
man.
मैं बोलता हूँ for celebrities, you shouldn't follow anyone. That zero following is the best, I think, move. क्योंकि फिर ये सब बकचोदी नहीं होगा. और अगर networking के लिए है तो if you're big enough, you can just DM anyone. It doesn't matter if you
Yeah,
follow
without
them.
following that person, you mean,
Yeah.
right?
Or even if you're following people, follow people that you are publicly associated with. कोई डायरेक्टर के साथ मूवी बनाया उसको फॉलो करो. If there is a co-star,
Keep it
follow
a
them.
work thing, you're saying.
First of all, don't use that account as a personal account.
Yeah.
Because you've reached that level where it's not really a
I'm
personal.
like fully doing that right now, but I'm like nobody, so it's okay.
क्या?
Like I'll follow anyone. Like I don't
I was
really
all
give a
follow
shit.
everyone, bro. Then you can justify your I follow everyone
Like I'm
randomly.
not really scouring over who I'm
Obviously,
following.
we can't compare. Na? If I'm following someone, there's multiple reasons. It's either I want to connect with them in some way, get them on the podcast. So first I will follow them, then they'll follow back, then I'll message. Or with those networking games that we play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But अभी जो कार्तिक आर्यन बैठा है, why is he following random
Yeah.
people? Like that makes no sense.
Yeah, Kartik Aaryan's too big.
No, the girl must have been like, hey, you don't even follow me, man. Khatam. Yeah, at that point, he had no choice. The least he can do is follow her.
She changed her bio to I don't know Kartik.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
If you were the girl,
No, the guy, the Karthik.
the Kartik. What
Yeah,
about you,
just-
man? Rohit, you've had any? Are you
Interactions.
interactions with people online and you feel like, oh shit, what if this goes out?
I used to, bro.
You can just say that was Hrithik Roshan.
That's one-sided love story, bro. Just like you can scroll down, it's just like, hi Ritik, happy birthday, hi, love you. This is fucking
Oh,
just
shit.
one-sided shit.
You actually messaged him.
Not like now anymore, but then tab se when I had Instagram, right? तो सब तब से चल रहा है. But I'm very careful in who I DM from my main account, bro. I have to be.
You have a alt account.
I have an alt account.
So
it's
that
not
you
like
DM
it's
everyone.
not like I say any shit, but then alt account is for people who I actually know.
Okay.
But from either of the accounts, like thoda carefully, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah,
You have to be.
little sad also that this is how you meet people. For
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Online.
Huh. I mean, I'm sure most people would.
You don't like
Prefer-
meeting people on DMs?
No, I don't dislike it, but I don't think I'm very good at it anyway. So I would prefer doing it in person.
Or just call. Honestly.
Or
call.
WhatsApp.
Or
Yeah.
call or
How do you
WhatsApp.
tell them
give me
if
your
you-
number.
Yeah.
But if you say that, that's going into some group chat. Who's this weird guy asking me for a number?
Weird क्या इसका अकाउंट हैंडल है ना?
अरे मैं बात करके फिर मांगूंगा ना, मैं जब मिलूंगा उससे in person फिर मैं नंबर लूंगा. Then I'll be like, hey, what's up?
I'm
bro?
saying if you see someone on Instagram and you're like, hey, I feel like talking to this person.
No, no.
How do you approach them?
No, I don't approach only.
Don't approach.
Cancel.
No.
Cancel. Now though it's weird with me. Like there'll be a woman who's very attractive who will like something or add me as their friend on Instagram. And I'll be like, oh shit, she's fully into me. And then her story, and she no connection. We've never met before. No sort of this thing. And then her stories are all, huh?
AI.
Yeah. It seems like it. But then stories are all with her boyfriend and all. So I'm like, what is this?
Have you ever, either of you guys, like किसी का like देखा, she's really hot, and you've been like, okay, she's been liking often now. DM मार के देखता हूँ मैं.
No, I haven't done that.
ये मार के देखता हूँ.
एक DM हो जाए.
डालते हैं.
एक स्टोरी का रिप्लाई हो जाए. एक स्टोरी.
No.
Story reply.
Story reply or like DMs.
Yeah.
You gotta slide in, right?
No, man. I've decided to not do any of that. My thing is now, if I see someone and like this person, I will tell them ki I would like to go out
Hey
with you.
baby, you,
No,
me.
I think you and I should go out together.
They like that, but
Yeah, direct, straight up.
I haven't tried it. This is what
That makes sense.
That's what I'm thinking.
he said my thing now.
My thing now.
My thing now will be
Okay.
going forward.
Okay.
Ki then I don't want to wait for your story and then say something clever and
Yeah.
do all of that.
Yeah.
Say
I
something
नहीं
dumb.
करना है मेरे को. I
Yeah.
say something dumb. That could work.
Yeah.
Is a turn
But
off, bro.
I don't want to do any of that
Okay.
anymore.
If I was Rohit, I would like act like all these different people and send them voice notes.
Like, hoy, this is
Like Nikhil Kamath or
You do an impression of Nikhil Kamath like DMing a girl, like if he was picking up on her.
I mean, he's that good. He's so good. Yeah.
he'd be like, I really think I should be texting you right now. That's what I'm doing. But how about I have you on my podcast instead? Something like that. Yeah.
And it's been Nikhil. What are you doing here?
Account का नाम रोहित. Voice Nikhil Kamath. In truth, what the fuck?
If you were a 16-year-old boy in a tier 3 city,
Let's assume you're a...
No, bro, this is your best work, bro. Very honest. The Nikhil Kamath one.
Bro, Nikhil's game would be like, let's assume you're a really hot model from Greece. What does it take for me to call you to my podcast? I'm not hitting on you. Just a hypothetical question. What a game, bro. This is mad game.
You should try and I'm telling you,
Bro,
This
no
is a
way, bro.
brilliant
Bro, it
way.
will floor women. For sure. They will be like, what?
Even that
This guy's so cool.
Deepinder Goyal one was so funny.
Bro,
That was so good.
if the rider wants, he can shut his phone, go home. We don't do anything.
He doesn't need to feed his family.
Bro, like...
Deepu
There
was
is no
on
pressure.
something, bro.
There is no pressure,
That
bro.
chip
No
is messing with him, bro. I feel
Yeah,
like.
There is no pressure.
Yeah.
Only pressure is when he's shooting. There is no pressure. There is no pressure.
You think
It's a
all this?
PR move.
You think all these? You think impressions work on girls?
I would think so. Girls, I feel like funny guys. If you have the ability to make them laugh, why not? Right?
Yeah.
कितना हंसाएगा भाई?
But I feel
Till she gets to know you, then forget about it.
फिर रुलाएगी.
but I feel like you shouldn't. If I was someone who's impressing someone with my mimicry, I don't think I'll start with mimicry.
Yeah.
It should be revealed as a later talent. Oh fuck! This is also.
Yeah.
Then it's a cooler thing. You start.
But that's with any talent, I think.
Yeah, you
It's
can't show all your cards right now.
Yeah, slightly just like there are guys who will go and so a girl will be like, so what do you do? And then it'll be like, I do this, I'm also a DJ, I'm also this.
Yeah.
They don't fuck with that. But then if like somehow within the conversation they realize you're a DJ, they're like, oh, you're a DJ. Okay.
खुद के मुंह से खुद की तारीफ कम करो. That's the
हाँ.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you got to plot your boys to be around you. You know, they make sure they will say.
Are you guys? Would you guys call yourself good wingmen?
I
Oh
think
yeah,
so.
all of us are
Yeah,
pretty good.
like we
Pretty good.
We do. If by winging you mean like just buying them shots until like if he's talking to a girl, I'll go with shots. I'll be like, hey guys.
And honestly,
Then he's not getting her drunk.
मतलब doing the whole hey, this is the best guy I know.
Yeah.
ये सब करना it's become
Bro, that is still better than this shit new thing that's been going on. Hey, you paid for my fucking petrol भराता तो मेरा random guy.
इसका देखा है
And
तो
tell
नहीं
you
होगा.
something, this video has got like 20 million views, bro. Some guy came to me at some festival and I was talking to a friend of mine. He was like, भाई आपने उस दिन मेरे को 6 रोंडे मार रहे थे, आपने बचाया. And I was like, yeah man, just doing what I can, bro.
Crazy how you in the moment realize what they're doing. I would have been too out of it too.
He
you
took
know.
2-3 seconds and then he was like, oh, okay, this is
Yeah,
what's
yeah.
happening.
2 seconds nahi. I
gauged,
looked
he
at
gauged.
him and I saw the bunch
cameras
of people. I saw the light on. I was like, let's go. Time to.
I would
I
have
feel
gone
like it
pissed
should
on
be
you.
realistic also, na? Like if you're really trying to like help some dude, like you paid for my mom's cancer money, you remember? Like aisa sa you can't say shit like
Yeah.
then it won't work. You know you're
वो अपना तो content बना रहे हैं
Yeah,
bro,
वो
उनको तो
content
नहीं
He's
पता.
just having like he's just saying the most outrageous thing he can.
बहुत
You were
funny.
okay with that? With them coming and recording you like that?
At first I was like, क्या हो रहा है? I was like, ठीक है ना, these kids are trying to make some content. Why not help them out?
अच्छा.
Yeah. Or with us, though, it's just like if someone comes with a camera, or they're like, okay, we get it, they're making content. Going to random people is a bit weird, I think.
हाँ.
But like if someone's also within the same thing, it's like, okay, there's an understanding. Like
Yeah,
creators
yeah,
ka
yeah.
understanding.
Yeah, true.
Like when you go for a creator event and someone comes and starts shooting something, you're just like, ठीक है, okay, bro.
Okay, fine.
Like, okay, fine.
Yeah. But
I-
फिर भी again, I don't know if like I'm okay with
I was-
कभी भी आके
The one time this happened with
चालू
me,
कर दे.
I think we went for
When
some.
someone was like, hey, say something funny.
He just put. I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah, I was there with you.
हाँ. पहले तो इवेंट पे गए. Event was a fucking waste of time.
Which
And
event was this?
God knows, I don't remember. And then we were like, where's the main thing is the free food. So that's why we've come, right?
Yeah.
So we go and then me and you are putting pani puris in our plate and whatever. And then one guy, you know, he came and just shoved his camera in my face, dude. So I got damn. It felt like there was some sort of expectation कि हाँ ये तो करेगा ही, ये तो नाचेगा ही, मैं चालू करूँगा कैमरा तो.
नाचा कि नहीं फिर?
नहीं, I told him fuck off, bro. What the hell? I'm not going to fucking sit
He's
there.
like, say something funny. He's like, no. Bye.
Bro, this reminds me, I was once really fucked after cookout.
As usual.
As usual, right? And I went to toilet after that, ulti karne ke liye. Like I was plastered out of my mind. And like I'm puking in this one cubic, मतलब cube
Yeah,
bench,
yeah.
दरवाजे के अंदर मैं उल्टी कर रहा था, दरवाजा was open. And this was my third round of puking. I was destroyed. And this guy walks in and I'm puking and he's like, hey, Rohit.
ऋतिक कैसे उल्टी कर देगा?
Yeah, he's like, bro, do Hrithik mimic it. And I'm like,
He was
I
Hrithik
mimicked Hrithik,
from
bro. When I was
Krish
drunk.
after they put him in that chamber.
नहीं, that's Rohit. Rohit Mehra. He's fucked na in that third movie.
Yeah.
He's on a wheelchair and all. He's old,
Yeah.
na?
हाँ.
You
Yeah.
could register what he's asking you to do.
He asked me to mimic like Hrithik. And I was like, yeah, sorry. I'm
Should've-
Hrithik. And he recorded that. This was in 2022, bro.
What the hell?
You should
That
have
video's never
thrown
come
up
out.
on him.
I don't know. He put it on Snap.
Oh.
And I was not that famous also, whatever. I was not known at all. So it is like, didn't
Yeah,
matter.
fuck you.
Hey, speaking of Hrithik, we saw Hrithik Roshan recently, sometime last year.
Yeah,
We had gone for this event in Sri Lanka, and he was
Oh,
the
we
chief.
saw him. Yeah.
He was the chief guest.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah,
We were there. You were also.
Yeah. I had
How
a lot
does
of
it
fun.
feel to live my dream, guys?
Like, we didn't meet him.
didn't
We
meet
saw him
him.
on stage.
Yeah.
He was very far.
Okay. Oh, then I've seen him.
We saw him from afar.
Udhar bhi, bro. Like, he was having a sit-down chat with someone,
Yeah.
okay? And the interviewer was like, so, which is your favorite dance move? and can you show it to us?
yeah, bro.
And he's like, everyone's just trying to get him to dance, bro.
Poor
सब
guy.
बात करने के लिए आया है इंडिया
भाई
से.
बात तो बट वो ठीक से करता नहीं है ना भाई, उसको
हाँ,
सवाल पूछो तो वो कुछ इधर से तो घुमा के
philosophical कुछ
Yeah,
बोलेगा
yeah, always.
ब्रो, बट डांस इज स्टिल फाइन. टाइगर बेचारा, ही सेड इन अ पॉडकास्ट अभी, वो रेस्टोरेंट में बैठा होता है, बच्चा के आप हैंड स्टैंड करो ना, आप बैक फ्लिप करके देखो, तो खाना वाना छोड़ के वो बैक फ्लिप, ही हैज टू डू इट ब्रो.
What do you mean has to do it?
अरे मनोरंजन कर रहा
अभी
है
वो
वो.
और
को
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं
बोल
दे रहा है ना
सकते.
ऑडियंस को, वही है उसका एक एक्टिंग तो हमने देखा नहीं है. टाइगर एक्टिंग करके दिखाओ एक बार.
But Tiger is
Something new.
he seems like a very sweet, genuine guy.
Yeah,
that
of course,
Tiger.
bro. His dad is Jackie Shroff, bro. The product of that,
Jackie's.
the product of Jackie sir will be.
बट इफ यू ओपन हिज कमेंट, एनीथिंग ही पुट्स ब्रो, इट्स वही, क्या फायदा, श्रद्धा के सामने तो पात दिया.
Yeah.
That's the comment.
Bro, if you ever fart in public and people see, it's done, bro.
It's done, you're done.
Fart in front
You'll
of
always be the guy who farted.
Yeah. Doesn't matter how many cartwheels you do, or how many backflips you can do.
Yeah.
That's messed up.
Why do you
And
think
he
his
didn't
dad?
even fart. That's the worst part.
He did, right?
It was a
नहीं,
cushion
नहीं.
like that fart.
It was a
cushion.
trumpet one horn था रे, भूपा था
करके
वो.
वो-
Okay, buddy.
अरे था रे, था.
That's
देखा
what makes him
मैंने.
sleep at night.
नहीं, नहीं, देखा मैं.
He has
देखा
gas
मैं.
का problem. bro.
अरे,
Why
he
do you
might
think
have.
Jackie has so many plants at home?
He's so gassed. He's always flipping.
पादी 3.
प्लांट लेके घूमता है भाई.
दे रहा है वो सबको ब्रो. तू भी बच के रहे
कभी पास दे
मेरे
भाई
बेटे
वो.
से. पौधा.
Oh man.
This is
Hoga.
before air purifiers or I think. Oh, too good, bro.
But I love Tiger.
He
be
plays football for some club now, bro. उसके highlights आते हैं मेरे feed पे.
क्या?
He's too good. He's too good.
Tiger Shroff highlights come on my. He's playing for some Mumbai City FC.
I've seen
Mumbai
him-
City
I've seen
नहीं,
him play
what?
on a
like some
turf,
other
like-
league.
He's
हाँ,
insane.
like online मैंने देखा है here
Turf
and
पे
there.
he's insane.
He does that ball roll all the time. His signature, signature skills.
what-
He's doing the ball roll and suddenly he'll like
I think his fitness
He's
is a
like-
bigger part of the.
He's like Eden
how-
Hazard, bro.
No.
Sudden acceleration.
he's explosive in that.
Yeah.
He's got that explosive acceleration.
And he has that like aura, star power also. So other defenders are थोड़ा scared of him.
हाँ,
और इंजरी कर देंगे तो गांड मर जाएगी ना.
Yeah.
So, but
It's pretty. He's jacked also like a. I mean, like, why are we?
yeah.
Glazing him now.
because when you say something bad about someone, you have to like balance.
Yeah.
But clip तो वो पहले part का ही कटेगा.
क्या फायदा था वही.
Bro, these celebrities are like slowly, one by one, just embarrassing things are happening to them, bro.
Yeah.
You guys saw the Beckham family drama?
No.
Yes.
Dude, it's crazy. I have information that I've pulled up for this.
Oh shit. Whip it out, brother.
So,
Wait, yeah,
I was-
right time आएगा.
I was actually, this is crazy. I was having a conversation about how influencers, like people are slowly realizing that most of it is fake. Like they just post anything, all these happy couples, and they're like, okay, whatever. Like everything is not as it seems. And we're like, people are eventually, they'll figure out. तो brands को भी समझेगा, फिर brands पैसे नहीं देंगे, ये सब. तो ये सब करते करते मैंने ब्रुकलिन बेकहम का स्टोरी देख लिया. He's written like paragraphs and paragraphs on his story about how his parents are toxic and
What?
how he has stepped away from the family now because they were mean to his wife. His mom never accepted his wife, and
Brooklyn is the oldest son. right?
yeah. And he's gotten married, and he's just like all they care about is the Beckham family brand. And
It's a pretty
like,
big brand.
He's like, it's the main thing that's spoken about at home. It's like everything to do to make the brand bigger, and like
Yeah.
in the process, like they neglect so many things.
It's crazy.
And he's like estranged from his family
he's
for a
like,
while.
I
He
don't
doesn't
want to be
Harry, not
associated
Prince
with
Harry.
them. I just want to do my own thing. Like
Yeah.
I'm done with all of this. And then he's like, this one time, I remember my wedding day where I was supposed to have the first dance with my wife, and my mom came and hijacked that dance to dance with me, and it was so awkward and embarrassing.
No, I have exact words, bro. He goes and says she danced inappropriately on me in front of the guest.
Who, the mother?
What?
The mother.
Posh.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that he had never felt more uncomfortable in his entire life.
What the fuck?
And like, my mom cancelled Nicola's dress in the 11th hour despite how excited she was to wear her design, forcing her to urgently find another dress.
But these don't seem like such big deals, bro. Maybe the dress was fucking
probably
ugly.
surface level पे जो बता रहा है,
हाँ,
probably
bro.
it goes.
No, this could
beyond
very
this.
well be a case of spoiled brat child.
No, now listen to the next one.
Uh-huh.
Weeks before the wedding, they pressured to bribe him to signing away his rights to his own name, which would affect him basically. They wanted to basically buy his rights to his name,
Like the Brooklyn Beckham.
Brooklyn Beckham.
Oh,
कि
इसका कुछ परफ्यूम बनाया तो
हाँ, so that like once he gets married to his wife and his wife convinces him कि bro you keep your
give
own
me the
name.
money.
Yeah,
uh-huh.
yeah, yeah.
Ek second. First of all, the person who is married to is the daughter of a billionaire.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's
she's doing
very-
well.
She's
for
well
it.
to do.
Yeah, yeah.
Well to do, matlab
She-
heiress to a like a billionaire empire
Wow.
is a pretty good bag. Brooklyn.
But this just seems like
I
an
would-
obsessive mother issue to me.
Bhai,
Yeah?
so this
I
whole
feel
Brooklyn Beckham
could be
ka
that.
lore is like it runs deeper. He like, do you guys know what he does?
I don't think any of them do anything, right?
Exactly. So he had some cooking show beach mein where
Uh-huh.
people would make fun of him because he would say things like, "Oh, I've been cooking since I was a child," and you
Yeah.
know, and then he would make the most basic recipe.
ऐसा अंडा बनाया उसने.
well produced,
With his wife only,
like
na?
ऐसा
With his
Anda
wife only,
bhurji.
I think he used to cook.
या ऐसा कुछ भी वो ऐसा हर 6 महीने में नया करियर कुछ तो उठा लेता है वो and he's never really done anything.
Yeah.
So it's also one of those things where this kid was just born into fame, like crazy fame. Now he's
Right.
like lost, doesn't know what the fuck to do. But this whole Beckham thing, have you guys seen his documentary
Yeah.
on Netflix?
No, no.
I've seen clips of it, not the entire thing.
I've seen it.
तो उसमें like some of the scenes are just so like properly put together. You would think, bro, there's no way like
This is a real.
that one scene
Thing.
where they're in their shed outside the house and they're cooking together and
come on.
and they're drinking wine and Victoria and Beckham are dancing together to music and the kids are all happy.
नहीं, that kind of shosha for the show they'll do only ना.
100%.
Netflix
उधर
demand
जाके
करेगा
अभी
वो।
उनका bad side कौन दिखाएगा?
हाँ, obviously. But then that just shows कि they're so this about putting out that family
Yeah.
dynamic.
I
brand.
have some evidence that sways away from this, where the whole Beckham brand must be maintained. When there's this clip that went viral maybe a year back, where Victoria Beckham is being interviewed, and she is waffling about. She's talking some shit, bro. She's telling the interviewer that we.
That's
didn't-
from the documentary only.
It's from the same documentary.
Yeah.
Huh. So then
It's
she
like
says
you're
that we,
working class.
and then
I'm
David
struggling
comes
and
and
all.
interrupts and says, "Why the fuck are you lying about this?"
Yeah.
So that became a clip and they're like, oh, they're so honest. And
Yeah.
Oh.
It's very well
David.
thought out. It's very well thought out.
It's all
Wow,
PR.
वो तो कब से आया वो क्लिप? कितना टाइम
It's
पहले
very
आया
old.
था?
It came with the documentary only.
Bro, but Beckham really looks like a sweet guy, David Beckham.
He seems very
He
sweet.
seems like a genuinely sweet guy.
नहीं, if that Prince Harry and
बच्चे को मारते हैं पे लेके.
Abhi uska, he has said after that, he's like, sometimes you've got to let your kids make mistakes. Like,
आके बोला है वो.
what after this whole thing?
But we've seen people like kids who basically grow up with everything handed to them. They usually
They're
most of them
usually choots.
end up being not very kind and not
If that
very.
Prince Harry and Meghan Markle is not an example of
Yeah.
spoiled brat children, maybe their parents or forefathers or whoever are dicks also. Yes, maybe. But that doesn't mean you can entitled to do whatever the fuck you want and act like a hooligan whenever
But
you feel
to
like.
play the devil's advocate also, do you think for him also, he's saying he wants to make his own identity and pulling away from all of that, खुद का अगर कुछ करना भी है उसको, everything like all the shit we gave him, कि बड़े बाप का ये वो,
हाँ हाँ.
that also plays like a very big part on his thing. कि
Psyche,
I want
for
to,
sure.
I
For
want to pull
sure.
away from all of that. I want to be my own man. I
See.
tried cooking, whatever.
wasn't he trying to playing football also?
He
No,
was
that
in
was
the
Romeo.
he was also there.
He was playing?
He was in the Arsenal Academy till 15, then he dropped out.
Was that not Romeo?
He was also there. All of them were there.
रोमियो तो MVM पे मिलता है भाई लोगों को. रोमियो बेकम का फोटो देखा है मैंने वेदांत महाजन के
Vedant
साथ.
Majan, it's a
MVM bro.
tour, clubbing tour.
I don't know. But my thing is, of course, there's a big shadow that you have to live
Yeah.
with. It's a
I
big,
mean, he's the
big legacy that whoever has built.
Yeah.
Not just the father, even the mother has a lot of
Right.
history to her name. So for sure, like there will be a bit of insecurity when it comes to the child's identity by himself. But you think of the weight that how they look at it also, na. Every time you fuck up a cooking show, whose name is getting ruined here?
ये
It's not
Beckham-
Brooklyn. It's
Beckham-
like अरे कैसा बेटा पाला है
Beckham
इसके
का
बाप.
बेटा,
हाँ,
ये
तो
कर
so then they both have grounds of the same argument.
No, but the family brand being prioritized, it's like, but that has been the case from the start, bro. Like
What?
Beckham, after a point, even within football, he like the move to LA Galaxy and all those were all PR and branding moves only. Like after a point, his footballing decisions also became about the brand,
Yeah.
where
The
he
brand
was,
and the cash.
Yeah, I think Madrid के बाद he went to Milan.
Yeah.
That was also because of like the brand and the
When did
Milan
he
is such a big
shave his
name.
head off?
also
When
the
was that?
fashion capital.
United only.
United only, no?
Fashion capital of the world.
Yeah.
So Milan.
हाँ,
Because
but
of Posh.
Milan's a 7-time Champions League winning team, bro.
हाँ, so I'm saying it's also enhances
You feel
the
like
brand.
that is also part of the strategy?
It enhances the Beckham brand. I'm saying that move.
a lot of like stylish moves were made. Like going to LA. It's like, oh, he's playing for LA, and he was the first person to go to MLS, like a big star, and then it became a whole thing. Like
But
that
a big
league.
star,
But I
yeah.
feel Beckham's brand became bigger after he left professional football.
Yeah.
That's when he
Yeah,
became-
yeah, for sure.
उसके पहले he was known as one of the greatest players, sure, but then him as a brand, I think after he left football, bro.
और अभी तो वो crazy like he's UNICEF का ambassador.
Yeah.
He comes
India
to-
आते रहता है ना अभी।
हाँ. We saw him also this year.
Oh yeah, bro. I saw him.
Yeah, अपना
Literally
Meta-
like this
Meta-
distance पे I saw him.
It's like the most handsome man ever. No?
And all the stories where I'm breathing the same air as David Beckham. Ew.
This shit air here.
Outside 300 AQI air as David Beckham.
Fuck, you sound stupid.
But
Yeah.
it's crazy, bro. These celebrities, their life is.
It's a very different life, bro. Public
Yeah.
facing. Everything gets affected.
Yeah.
Even him saying, oh, he's a mistake that he's made. People should make mistakes. That's his way of
वो-
saving face in front of his audience.
घर अगर सोच तेरे घर का जो सास बहू के जो issues है वो सब देख रहे हैं. Like it's so weird, bro.
It's very
Fuck.
weird.
Yeah. Either you make money out of it, like what Kim Kardashian or like proper bench, just make it a show only.
Yeah.
ये
Or
देखो
you
भाई.
keep it really private.
Hmm.
This grey area is what fucks the image up, bro.
Yeah.
Rumors and shit.
पैसे के लिए लोग कुछ भी करेंगे भाई. They'll sell their son, they'll sell their blood, they'll sell whatever. You know, people will market anything.
It happens
They'll
in
do-
India also,
Yeah,
bro.
भी
Like
होता है.
when someone gets divorced, it becomes a whole thing. I mean, like these Uzi and all also are not helping themselves wearing sugar daddy t-shirt and all.
But I'm sure like someone advised him to
Advice
नहीं भाई कौन
suggested.
देगा ऐसा
Who?
advice?
I don't know which.
Use Uzi भाई.
Uzi Chahal.
Use it.
Chahal.
नहीं,
He
you
wore
think
a
that was him?
t-shirt
Huh?
to the court which said, "I am my own sugar daddy."
Be your own sugar daddy.
Be
After
your
the
own
case
after
hearing,
the
after the
case.
hearing,
so he
right?
lost a lot of his money for his divorce settlement, and then he like you're not. They think it's cool.
What do you
that's
guys
what's sad.
What do you guys think about alimony and all? ये सब divorce के बाद आधा सब. What are your thoughts on it?
Rohit first.
Yeah, Rohit first. What would Hrithik do?
What would Hrithik do? Bro, I
Listen,
think.
guys. no, I
ऋतिक
can't.
का भी हुआ है ना divorce.
इसलिए
Yeah.
So what did he do?
He paid a lot of money apparently,
to give,
bro. Lot of money. मैं नहीं दे रहा पैसा. मैं मुश्किल से ब्रांड डील कर करके कमाता है. मेरा पैसा है वो.
So you'll make her sign a prenup like the girl.
Yeah.
Prenups are illegal, bhai, in India.
It's illegal in India. So what if you get
Yeah,
married?
but you can
outside
have
India?
another sort of legal agreement with your spouse.
Yeah, some sort of agreement you can make like तुम दोनों के बीच में.
Or do the Hardik Pandya move.
Or give her all name mother's name.
सब मेरे माँ के account
सब
में.
मेरे माँ का अकाउंट में. I think that's I'll do that.
तेरे माँ का.
सब तेरी माँ.
Yeah, that
My
it's a
thoughts.
tricky situation.
I would give all my money.
Take it all.
If,
Arre,
yeah, I mean, I'm with him. If let's say I actually find someone who loves me for me, and you know,
See,
ऐसा ही फंसते हैं लोग.
You pulling a Brooklyn Beckham right now, bro.
Bhai, if I'm married to a billionaire's daughter, I will take alimony from her.
I don't think
तो मेरे
is going to listen to you.
That cooking show isn't paying for shit, bro.
that cooking show loss में चला रहा हूँ मैं. क्यों चला रहा हूँ 2 साल से? Just to date this billionaire's daughter.
But yeah, what about you?
My thing is कि it depends, भाई. अभी I'll take example. अगर कल को my parents are getting divorced, say, let's say, Now my parents, they got married 29-30 के age में, and then my mom had me 1 year after, and ever since then she's just been like raising me and my brother. So उसके पहले she had a job. After that she didn't have a job. Her job was to raise us. So in these 30 years after that, at what point is she supposed to make a life for herself that she can live independently? She has given her whole life to doing
Take care
this
of her
job.
kids. Yeah.
And where my father was providing for the family. So also now if they ever decide to go separate ways for whatever reason, like practically speaking, it doesn't make sense for my mom to not get half, because she has built this life with him.
Yeah.
So whatever he's been able to do is because she was taking care of the kids at home. So it's fully fair if she takes half, or like some sort of allowance every month, or कि घर दे दो, ये गाड़ी दे दो, ये, so that she can live a life, just so that practically you can continue living your life as an independent adult.
Correct.
See, if you're married to somebody for 30, 40, sometimes 50 years,
फिर तो divorce का सोचो मत पहली बार.
divorce किधर जाएगा?
Marriage साल के बाद.
Fucking suck it up. No, but
Yeah, then you gotta
Then you separate.
ride it out. I
Then
guess.
do extramarital like everyone else. Affair करो भाई.
No.
नहीं वो मत
Would
करो
you
guys.
take alimony? How about that?
Bro, if I've been
Men's rights activist.
No, there's a lot. See, when you're married and this shit happens, then of course, practicality and logically also, that woman deserves all this. But when you're a 1 year marriage in and you don't have the backbone to compete with your spouse anymore in this marriage, like it's just you're giving up, you're tapping out basically.
Huh.
Then why the fuck should you get anything? Like people should not exactly put that clip here.
I think if you have made your money, or you have made your life after getting married, then you should give half to that woman because she was with you. But if you are a fucking billionaire and now you've gotten to some woman, like, protect yourself. You can't
Yeah.
give half your shit.
Yeah, you can't.
You already made it without her.
You have
Yeah.
enough money to fight the case also.
हाँ.
कि मतलब
हाँ.
whatever, like there needs to be some sort of an agreement, not percentage wise कि हाँ आधा wealth गया है.
You guys have seen that clip of Onkar Yadav where they ask him about this alimony and he's like, bro, she can take everything because before her I didn't even feel like making money.
Oh,
So
that's a hard.
Of course, उसका edit बनता है भाई सब.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
girls are like, oh.
मैं भी दे देता bro. I don't have a
Yeah,
problem.
that's
If I'm willing to commit my whole life and time and effort and all towards one woman, then why the fuck shouldn't she have my money?
If
Take it.
If very big if.
Big if.
Hard if.
No, but so then in that case, if I have made a big mistake and this woman was not for me, then those are the consequences I will have to suffer.
Yeah.
No,
But I agree with the.
आधा पैसा cut.
I have a question. Who do you think should pay on the first date?
I will pay.
You'll pay?
Yes.
Bro,
Fair.
I mean,
I will pay on every date. I don't want them to pay. Once in a while they will pay. They feel like paying. Okay, you pay.
No,
But
never
otherwise,
pay.
yeah, once in a while if they feel like.
You never pay.
No, they will never pay.
I thought you will never pay.
No, they will never
They
pay.
will.
On any date, they will never pay.
No, I don't
No,
mind
yeah,
if
they
they
pay यार. What do you mean?
No.
They pay sometimes, but it's just like, for me, it's like, is it gonna make you happy to pay for this right now? Pay. Like, but
Oh, that's good.
The next,
That's good,
The
dude.
next 7 times,
I
let
should
me
try
pay.
Bro, it's more like the
कोई होना
intention.
भी चाहिए उसका.
No, no. Fucking beat your ass.
I will pay. किसके लिए भाई? कौन है?
तेरे को लेके जाऊंगा ना कुत्ते.
हाँ, then you pay.
Anyway, you don't like. Anyway, you're saying
can
I'll
make
never
a deal.
pay.
Like, you
Or
pay
such
for
shit.
every date. If I commit to you, you can take 50%. If. तब तक तू दे. काट लेंगे अपन. Balance.
You guys didn't say, but would you take alimony? Yeah, I asked a question.
Why would I take
I don't know. I don't know.
No,
what
let's
that
say you
looks like.
you love someone, you build a life with this person. That
And
person.
then she's fucked me over. Damn right, I want my alimony, bitch.
Like, do you think Mary Com should pay? I think she should.
I think call Stewie, tell him to stay there only.
I love this guy. I told you I was glazing for a reason.
I think she should, buddy.
Mary Com का क्या हो गया
Can we break this down? Do you
Can
know
I
the
mimic
story?
what she said? Right. एक आदमी अपना औरत का पैसा कैसा जी सकता है? पेट में कैसा जाएगा? शर्म नहीं आता आपको?
She's so funny, bro. On that आपकी अदालत. She's like उसने आप.
शर्म नहीं आता तेरे को? मुझे आ रही है. वो तो कैसे देख सकता तुम?
She's like उन्होंने अब पूरा करियर सैक्रिफाइस किया आपके लिए. He's like क्या सैक्रिफाइस किया?
कुछ कम नहीं करता.
But a husband is a loser, no? What is his
गली
problem?
में फुटबॉल करियर
नहीं but
गली में फुटबॉल खेलता है. Too funny, bro. To
back
talk
the
about your
guy,
husband.
सारा दिन सोते
Fuck that guy, bro. She's a national legend. I don't care.
नहीं,
what
but
that
I'm
guy says.
listen to what I'm saying.
Oh my
You're
God.
married to a national champion, like you said.
Yeah.
You want to be. He has chosen to be the man who will be her emotional support, backbone, etc. और वो घर चला रहा होगा घर पे बैठ के. Whatever he's.
कैसे चला रहा है वो घर? काम था क्या उसका?
Bro, but then तेरी वाइफ बॉक्सर है. उसको झाड़ू पहुंचा. I'll do, bro.
हाँ bro.
I'll do it.
हाँ बॉक्सर
Yeah,
है भाई
yeah.
वो.
Bro, नेशनल लेवल बॉक्सर में करेगा झाड़ू पहुंचा. मैं
Yeah, of
बर्तन
course.
साफ
Out of
करेगा.
fear.
Yeah, that's what out of fear.
Out of love, bro.
नहीं करेगा तो बॉक्सर है बीवी.
Knockout.
Uppercut.
But you are like.
Throwing in the towel.
What is
To
the
wash.
case though?
Throwing in the towel in the washing machine.
what is
घर का.
what is the case? What is the case?
The
I only
case
saw
is
आपके
Apparently
अदालत
she
का.
cheated on him, bro.
That's what he says.
He said she cheated on him with a younger boxer or something.
बड़े अभी नहीं बोला. बहुत
Okay.
पहले बोल चुका है.
अच्छा पहले ही बोल
बहुत
चुका
पहले बोल चुका है.
बोल चुका है वो.
This is out.
तो ये अभी यार हो रहा है सब.
No. She went on like one of the shows, talk
आपकी
shows,
अदालत.
आपकी अदालत.
ये
and
आपकी अदालत ना भाई.
Best show
It's a
है
good
भाई.
show,
It's a
bro.
good
now
show.
she's talking, bro. I think the fact he had blamed her पहले only, I feel, about cheating.
Oh. And then he questioned her about it.
Because separation पहले हो गया था. They've been divorced for a very long
For a
time.
while.
Every time in India, at least, every time there is some woman who something bad is said about her, there is a whole group of people waiting just to be, हाँ औरत लोग ऐसा ही होता है.
Yeah, yeah.
So this happened, and then this Twitter पे everyone's
हाँ.
like
Slating her off.
Yeah, then there Priyanka Chopra को गाली दे रहे हैं because she was in the biopic. He's like, why did you make movie about her?
And in that the story is like nothing close to reality.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
तो कुछ भी हो रहा है उसमें.
What the hell?
But
No, I believe in whatever Mary Kom says. I've read a bit about her struggles and she's done a lot for our country. So I will trust her before the random
Some
gully
man.
footballer.
Just some
that's
man.
true.
Yeah.
वो बेचारा दिल्ली में किधर 15,000 पर महीने के अपार्टमेंट में रह रहा है वो.
The
Yeah, he's actually down bad, bro.
अभी भी खेल रहा है
And
football.
she's paying for it. She's paying for it.
No. Apparently he has some land. उससे जो पैसा मिल रहा है उससे he's paying rent.
सही क्या मेरे को.
कैसा भी है भाई
You're
ये?
gonna date a loser.
Yeah, why will she fucking be with you, bro? If you're going to be like this.
Yeah.
And he's getting angry. Also, she's gone with some other guy. अरे
Bro, other guy नहीं fucking trainer,
Oh.
junior
Always
trainer
these
or something.
trainers, bro. These
Yeah.
gym trainers, na.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Yeah, my girl will never have a gym trainer.
Yeah.
I will train her.
Oh.
Yeah.
She'll go with you to the gym.
Yeah. No, home gym. Private.
बेड के ऊपर. You put that ball, that gym ball.
Which ball?
That gymnasium ball you've seen.
Bro.
Guys on that ball is just the worst sight to see.
Yeah, bro.
मतलब क्यों भाई? Just don't
so
do it in
stupid.
public.
What is the most awkward machine in the gym, bro? For you guys?
That ball.
Ball, bro. I think
Is
the
that-
abductor.
वो ऐसा पैर वाला हो.
Oh, I've never used that.
ऐसा फाकने का.
Protractor किधर पे? Compass.
What is that thing? That
Elliptical.
Bro, that is still fine, bro.
नहीं, but you are-
Hip thrust also, bro.
Even वो वाला
Thrust
भाई.
is not awkward.
It is awkward, bro. I find it awkward.
The calf raises. वो उस पे you have to put that thing on your calf.
और
and-
वो ऐसा उठा.
हाथ से नहीं उठाने का रहता वो calf से उठाने का रहता.
नहीं, he's talking about the liver sort of a thing.
हाँ,
You push
so
it
you
off.
just sit and you go.
It's like you're angry and you can't do anything about it.
Can't even get up. भाई वो that's a scary machine bro.
Which one?
उस पे अगर थोड़ा ज्यादा weight डाल दिया
Calf, no?
calf raise and you've done like 10 reps now you're failure आ गया है, then you can't raise it bro to like remove your legs also.
नहीं bro, thing is the क्या बोलते हैं नेगेटिव मोमेंट जो हो रहा है वो अचानक it becomes so high you can't like suddenly feel after 10th bro 10th rep you can't like lift it up.
वो जो छोटे मसल्स होते हैं ना उसका just like progressing is so difficult, increasing like even your shoulder muscles bro, वो seated shoulder press like when you do with dumbbells going from 5 kilos to 7.5 kilos is only like भाई कितना बढ़ गया भाई weight.
Yeah, or?
Yeah, because these muscles are just
I think thoda genetic also, bro. Like for me, I feel like for when I was put on muscle, the easiest place to do it was my back and shoulders.
Same.
नहीं तो भाई shoulder में अब अगर अभी let's say you're starting with 10 kilo dumbbells, you're doing it comfortably. Then you do 12.5 comfortably. You do 15 you're failing. Now going from 15 to 17 will take very long because these muscles just are tiny bro. Like कितना इतना ही तो है shoulder. तेरा भी मतलब
तेरा है वो shoulder.
but in comparison to the rest of your muscles, your bicep is bigger. इतना real estate is there.
You've done like glute based exercises at the gym and seen how
So
how you
his
do well in
like
that?
his legs and lower is much stronger. I don't know. It's genetic.
It's
genetic.
वो तो genetic ही है
Genuinely
भाई.
genetic.
So his progress happens much faster there. मेरा upper में
ज़्यादा होता है ना?
ज़्यादा faster होता है progress.
Bro, calves is the bitchiest muscle to build bro. बहुत टाइम जाता है.
But उसका threshold भी रहता है bro. Like with calves, after a certain point it doesn't grow only.
Yeah, it does.
मतलब it's just like उसका max रहता है उसके बाद unless you get like implants or something.
Have you seen John Jones's calves? Do you know who John Jones is?
I don't
Yeah, MMA, yeah.
So John Jones is widely regarded as the greatest ever, right?
Yeah.
His calves are like fucking toothpicks, and he
Seriously?
yeah, he has no muscle on his below his knees at all. And again, he says it's genetic only because he deadlifts some 700 pounds and shit.
Entourage में that Johnny Drama is insecure about his
Oh,
calves.
yeah.
And he works out heavy, but he just
wants to get implants.
he
He wants to get implants. Yeah.
He
What a
made
show,
calf
bro! What a
implants.
show, Entourage.
I've still not watched Entourage.
Bro, I've seen it thrice now. It's insane.
You will love it. That
हाँ, I
It's
know.
so funny.
Yeah, वो it's just like bakchodi bro. And if you watch it, it's like abhi I don't want to brag or whatever, but it's just like oh these are the untriggered boys. Like
What?
it gives that vibe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because there's वो पूरा same vibe है. There's like 3-4 people. They move to LA and they're trying to make it.
हाँ.
And then just cool shit happens to them and then fuck ups happen. And there's one manager.
Okay.
One brother who's irrelevant. Like,
Okay.
but Abhi, I'm talking about the show. I'm talking about the characters. कैसे लोग हो भाई तुम लोग?
You said it in that way.
नहीं, I got
Like a little shocked.
He's not even his real brother.
Yeah.
He's a half brother.
Yeah.
Just cousin.
It has the most cameos in any show ever.
Yeah.
That's some cool.
Made by Mark Wahlberg, na?
Produced by Mark
Produced
Wahlberg,
by
yeah.
Mark Wahlberg.
Executive
He has an
producer.
entourage, bro. It's from his life. Like he has those.
It's
four
based
people.
on
It's
his-
based on his life loosely.
Oh.
First episode only, they're walking towards something, and Mark Wahlberg crosses them, and Mark Wahlberg is with his boys, and this
entourage.
guy is with his boys,
Oh.
and then he just says something to him, and that's his only appearance, I think, in the show.
No,
नहीं,
then in
नहीं,
the
comes
movie.
ना later.
Then
movie
सीधा in the
नहीं
movie.
नहीं show में भी है ना. He's playing golf with Ari. They
Oh.
play golf together.
Yeah.
He has a bunch of appearances.
Ari Gold is the best character I
Yeah.
feel ever
My favorite
written.
Ari is the
What?
manager?
He's the
he's
agent.
the agent.
One of
वो
the
deal
best
लाके देता है.
characters ever written, bro.
The funniest character on the show by far.
Abrasive as fuck.
Love it.
It's too good.
Like the insults he comes up with, you're just like, you're in awe कि ऐसा insult कर दिया इसने इसको.
Bro, अब नहीं कर सकता हो ये. आज के टाइम पे those dialogues can't happen.
What? It's very.
Bro, it's racist.
Okay.
It's very abrasive.
I feel like
Homophobic.
racism and
Crass.
homophobia is coming back right now.
It's coming back.
Cheers.
People are being
They're
more
so back.
free with their words and they just.
Homophobia is coming back.
Homophobia is not coming back. What I'm saying is coming back is the ability to call
it
someone
is-
gay and be like, ha ha ha.
It is fully coming back, but like it's come back in the best way possible because now really almost no one cares about people being gay. It's
Yeah,
just like it's
it's a
whatever.
normal thing,
ठीक है, अभी हो
so
गया
yeah.
भाई. We've gone through the whole thing. People are. I mean, this is very. Tone deaf to say in some because I'm sure there's parts of the world where
Correct,
it's still
correct.
like a big deal.
And
Even in India.
Parts of India, yeah, that's what I was gonna
But then just abroad, like where pop culture comes from the US, like no one really gives a fuck. Like someone, so now you can be openly homophobic because they have rights. Everything is.
Yeah.
At one point they didn't have rights, and then फिर तुम उसको गाली भी दे रहे हो कि eventually.
Have
now they have
you
everything.
guys ever tried to impress a girl and then उस process में like while joking you're like oh that's so gay and then like she's gotten like offended and पूरा game की चुत गई.
I once
ऐसा हुआ है क्या? Because
नहीं,
probably
these
she used
gay
to walk.
jokes and all I restrict with the boys unless I know the girl is cool.
Yeah, you want to test the waters like sure.
she's one of the boys.
No, just some girls happen to have a sense of humor. I know it's hard to believe, but
नहीं rarely मिलता है bro, rarely मिलता है. Yeah, people get like once we were having one party here only in this house. I think one of the first parties ever, and there was a girl who I met, and she was just taking my case on this podcast, like about the podcast. So like I really don't anything we were talking about. It would go back to like yeah, I saw that you all said this. You shouldn't have. I don't think it's cool. I don't think, and I feel like that was her shit test, like to see how I would
yeah,
react.
that I like, bro. That means they watch the podcast.
Yeah, you're a subscriber. Thank you.
इतना अगर उसको पता है तो
Just
मतलब वो
taking the
देख भी रहे हैं तो and you don't watch something that you're not enjoying for this
Yeah.
long. So I'm just like okay, this is ठीक है. This is your way of saying that you don't want to seem like a fan. This is your way of showing it. Okay, it's cool.
That sounds so egotistical to say.
I mean, criticism is better than hearing. I have not seen your podcast.
Yeah.
Criticism is better. I feel, right?
People do that also.
They act like they haven't seen it.
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
It's happened with you.
Yeah.
Bro, so like girls play these power games when they meet you.
Oh, you do a
So-
podcast? I haven't seen it.
Yeah. Yeah, but she's-
I see untriggered though.
Oh, untriggered. I haven't seen
you guys.
Bro, that day the funniest thing happened. I had gone for like dinner and drink somewhere, and this guy comes. Like this guy was sitting next to us for the whole night, but then eventually at the end of the night, he's like, "I don't know, want to disturb you, but like I watched the podcast and yevo." And he came across as a genuine fan. Then 3 seconds in, I realized this guy is like drunk out of his mind.
Okay.
Like out of his mind, pretty drunk. We were also drinking, and then he's like, bro, he's like, I really love the main guy from your podcast.
तेरे को बोल रहा हो.
And then we're like, main guy? He's like, yeah, you're the good looking cute guy, but there's a main guy.
मेरी बात कर रहा है.
This is the main guy.
मेरी बात कर रहा है.
तेरी बात कर रहा है क्या?
So then I said, are you talking about Yugu? Then I was like, oh, is he the slightly dusky guy? He's like, no, not that guy. He's the funny guy. तो मैं सबका description दिया. No one is the main guy.
He's talking about a guest episode.
तो बोला ठीक है भाई तू.
Thank you.
Like this is
सही देख रहा है जो देख रहा है. देख
कुछ और ही देख रहा है.
He's watching bare biceps.
Who's the main guy? Beer biceps.
Oh,
The
bro,
ghost.
have you guys seen that bare biceps clip where he's talking about getting whipped?
Yeah, bro.
एक second.
Yeah,
I will talk about the same thing here.
So
Yeah.
funny,
Bro,
bro.
it's
Getting whipped.
Yes.
So
Who is it with?
He's talking to some
woman is
girl.
there.
Yeah, he's talking to some woman.
Babita from Tarak Mehta.
हाँ.
He asked her.
That was Babita from Tarak Mehta.
I didn't know. He was like, have you seen those guys on the street who
Who
whip
get whipped?
themselves?
Oh, okay.
And then she says
Don't tell
something,
me.
and then he's like, I'm sad that we didn't get you.
No. He's like, you know what? I feel like doing that to myself. I'm sad it wasn't me for not
Bro,
getting
do
on
the
pod.
impression now.
Of what? Ranveer.
Of him.
Bro, Ranveer, I can't, bro.
Why?
No
I can
one-
only
no
do is
one-
It's
laugh.
too fake. What for you?
No, I don't watch his podcast now. But
He
then,
said
yeah,
खुद को answer.
मेरे को खुद को ऐसा मारने का मन करा for not having on the podcast earlier. That's the example he gave, bro.
So he said.
no.
He said.
No, he was
Food
like,
नहीं लाया मैंने.
he's like, I feel like whipping myself because I didn't get you some good food. And then she's like, why didn't you get? He's like, what? A whip?
Are you sure?
Not
Yeah, bro, ऐसा ही कुछ बोलता है. Because I've seen that do with other people also.
Yeah.
Because Kajol had gone on his podcast and she kept grilling him. He's like,
हाँ,
you want
कुछ
samosa
समोसा
also,
नहीं
you
दिया.
haven't given me.
इतना बड़ा घर में लेके आया मेरे को. इधर चाय नहीं दिया है.
चाय समोसा नहीं है.
Oh man, that guy's
चिंदी
playing with
रहेगा.
fire, bro.
Wow.
Every fucking time.
No, bro, after his cancellation, now I really enjoy. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, not that he
Watching.
got cancelled, but I feel like he got liberated in some way.
What way?
Just now he does bakchodi. Like, I like that so much more than.
You think he does?
But is this Bakchodi or
I
is
don't
he
think he
getting
does-
something wrong?
It doesn't matter, bro. Like,
कुछ तो गलत definition
as an
पकड़ा है वो।
audience, like, मेरे को जो मिल रहा है वो देखने में, मेरे को clips देखने में मजा
But
आता है.
I just feel like you feel bad for him because all that. Now you're like, हाँ इसका भी वापस आ गया है. Because
bad
these sort of
for him
clips were
नहीं.
coming out before also. With that Stan wala clip, you remember? Where he's like,
No, but you have to keep in mind that these are edited clips, bro. They're not.
oh,
It's all.
correct. I've not seen the official.
It's not exactly like
Video.
it happens.
Kiku-
वो सब-
Mumbling rap देखा तुमने? Mumbling
Kiku Sharda.
mumbling rap.
Yeah.
Kiku Sharda वाला clip देखा है तूने?
Kiku का नहीं देखा.
That is also edited.
Kiku's a factor. right?
Mumbling rap. He's like, MC goes like, and then he pauses. Okay, आप बहुत कमाल के हो. He's so funny. आदमी हो यार आप.
Oh.
Even Honey Singh, bro.
Oh yeah. He's like,
No, he's like, आपको कुछ दिखाऊंगा मैं. क्या दिखाओगे? लेके चलो आप मेरे साथ. कुछ दिखाऊंगा.
महसूस कराऊंगा.
महसूस कराऊंगा.
That reply from Honey Singh was probably the funniest thing. He's like, कैसे हो आप पे हो? He's like, बस ठीक हो भाई. आप जहाँ से निकले हो मैं भी वहीं से निकला.
ये क्या बोल रहा है?
What sort of thing is that to say?
अभी कल को आके बोलेगा मैं एक गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट के साथ बैठा था. जेंजी में अवेयरनेस नहीं है.
Never. Sweet guy यार.
Bro, he looks at Kiku Sharda and he's like, मैं अगर आपकी बीवी होता तो मैं आप पे कभी गुस्सा नहीं करता. आप बहुत क्यूट से हो.
This is okay. This is a sweet thing to say.
But why would you say that to someone, bro?
ठीक है
मैं
भाई.
अगर आपकी बीवी होता
अरे प्यारा लग रहा है वो.
And someone's
तो
editing.
प्यारा लग रहे हो आप बोलना भाई.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
ये edit के लिए बोलता है feel.
Oh yeah, you think so?
I feel yeah. Sometimes you feel okay podcast. Sorry, थोड़ा dry जा रहा है. कुछ ऐसा बोल
Let me say something.
fucked up.
Let's give them a meme.
Yeah.
Let's give them a meme. That could be it. Yeah.
But to be fair, अभी becoming a meme or giving memes is not as easy as it looks, bro. क्योंकि because
Yeah.
you can, yeah, bro. Like if we were to do it, कि if your main thing was कि I will give like 5 memes out of this episode.
In the episode?
हाँ.
Bro, we should think about it and do it now. This episode is gone, but
No, but I can give you 5 memes from this episode. We didn't mean to do anything.
we didn't. That's what I'm saying.
But it's
that's
gonna-
what I think
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
happening in his episodes as well. Like naturally,
No,
he might not know how to take the conversation and from there, and he might say something weird, and then it becomes a whole thing because there's so many eyes. It's bound
Enough
to become a
enough
thing.
weird shit gets said in the episode for people to make a meme out of it.
That's such a crazy strategy to go in
कुछ
for a
बोल देता हूँ
podcast.
मैं,
Let
ऐसा
me
बोल
just
दो
say some weird shit.
हाँ bro, कौन ही करता रहेगा ऐसा? कुछ
Hey,
गलत
it's working for him.
Yeah.
जाके कीगू को I'll go and I'll tell him that I want to be his wife. He decides this beforehand. I don't see it.
He gets a PDF.
उधर से producer बोलते
French producers are counting the bags, bro. Counting the bag.
उधर से stand up show में toss नहीं मारते. लेकिन मार रहा
Like
है
some
बोलते
fucking Vince McMahon level. Like he go and say something absurd and we'll see what
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah.
When
You think he has someone in his ear telling him
WWE man, at one point they also
Yeah.
used to do the same thing. Like
and
Triple
say
H
shit.
and Shawn Michaels would go and say some weird shit, and they were just having fun, seeing how much they can stretch.
Yeah.
कितना बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ.
And it would be like really based on real life current events जो हो रहा है. Like if something has gone down, they would make a reference to it. And then they started getting cancelled at one point because the TV networks were like, you guys are just saying anything. So
Huh.
then they would take that and like say something about that. It's
Yeah.
just too good, bro.
Yeah, Vince
Showbiz, showbiz is really fun.
Yeah.
You're playing with so many emotions. When you have an audience and you know you can now I can do things too.
Yeah.
You know.
With the WWE, it's different, bro, because you know, like not a casual viewer, someone who's actually they understand the kayfabe and they recognize कि okay ये जो बोला जा रहा है मेरे लिए it's not for it to be instigating anybody. In a podcast, whether it's this podcast or a Ranveer podcast or any podcast, we are trying to be as real as we can. We're trying to have a genuine conversation here. Like we three didn't sit and discuss, okay, what do we chat with Rohit about? Or he didn't come
PDF
prepared.
भेजा था मैंने उसको.
भेजा था क्या? Oh,
तेरे को नहीं आया PDF?
नहीं bro.
Crazy. Take it up with the producer.
I send it to you.
No, it's okay, bro. I'm a natural. I can go off the top.
That's why I didn't send it to him. I want natural reaction.
अच्छा, oh, okay. He's playing like next level.
Crazy cover up.
Playing with his character.
Why send it to him?
So I was like, this is the stuff that we might talk about.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, but that still ऊपर से you're
Very
saying we
hard.
might discuss this.
Yeah.
We're not saying इसके बारे में अब बात करेंगे. तू ये इस टाइम स्टैम्प पे बोलेगा. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
Script नहीं
It's
था,
not scripted, so it's a very different format. But yeah, it is. It's wild. We should. I mean, we can start thinking about it if we want to, put in one.
ऐसा one sequence.
But only boys episodes, I think. If we have a guest on, we pull some shit like that. It'll be. It
मैं
might
आपकी
backfire.
बीवी बनना चाहता हूँ.
This Rohit will beat our ass here. Fucking get pissed
No,
off.
I will actually like मतलब
Take
गांड
album.
फटा हाँ बोलो नहीं मैं बोलूँगा हाँ बनते हैं like गांड मतलब तुम लोगों का माइंड फक हो जाएगा मैं
Flip.
I'll go with it
Yeah.
like
Good, but this is like
Yeah, man.
Logan Paul right now like he's been fucking killing it in WWE man like
Yeah.
he's become the face
Do you watch wrestling?
Not the face.
it's been a थोड़ा out of touch हो
Been a
गया
while.
थोड़ा out of
You
touch
should watch, bro. It's.
नहीं,
pretty
but
cool
it's on the decline.
now. No,
नहीं,
it's not.
decline
You have to.
The product is in decline.
No, it
I'm
is not
sorry
in
to
decline.
say.
I think
It is
peak
not
पे है ना अभी
नहीं.
Peak
It
numbers
peaked, I
wise.
think.
See, now on streaming everything is. अभी तो pay-per-view का full thing has disappeared only. Pay-per-view का model
Yeah.
from sports and entertainment in general. Everything's digital streaming, so the numbers are always going to be crazy.
एक subscription के साथ सब मिल रहा है ना.
हाँ, bro.
yeah
नहीं, अभी this new season of Unreal has come.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna watch that. Have you seen Unreal?
No, what is it?
It's like behind the scenes WWE ka, how they make shit happen. It's very interesting.
is it good
Too good.
So good.
Yeah.
This season 1 came last year. Season 2 just dropped. You should
Okay.
watch it. It's like the intricacy of, and you will see like the reactions where Triple H, who's running everything, he'll
Yeah.
go and tell them, ki, okay, this is what's gonna happen. You're going to become champion now, and like the reactions when they find out
Yeah.
ki they're going to win.
that's crazy
That whole thing operationally to run na is must be so fucking. They've been doing it for years, so now everything seems like हाँ तू उसको ये कर हाँ तू उसको वो कर. It's not so simple.
Yeah.
yeah
But everything has to be timed. They have a certain amount of time that the show can be live. Within that, all these different matches, different segments, different dialogues, different.
तो सब दिखाते हैं. Some matches like they go overtime and then everyone's stressed out in the behind the scenes. And
तो
then
पीछे गांड मार रहा है वो रेफरी का, अरे जल्दी करना बोल उसको. फिर रेफरी को he has a in-ear in the ring, so he has to go and somehow communicate to the wrestler. लौड़े क्या कर रहा है जल्दी कर.
He goes to me like 3. Go and say.
And they both acting like they're having a conversation. They're arguing. It's very intricate, bro. If people actually are interested
Yeah.
now, they'll find it.
Their writers' room, like seeing those, are like, my favorite.
bro
thing
I
to
think
do.
the smartest thing WWE did is own up कि हाँ हम fake है bench
Yeah.
that was the best thing they did because now people want to know how can you script this right that's a new perspective that people didn't know
yeah, and also it's like if you really want to watch it, you will figure out a way to suspend disbelief.
yeah
कि अगर तेरे को मजाक लेना है इसका, you have to suspend the disbelief, bro. If you sit there and be like, ये तो है, ये तो ऐसा, then watch something else only, ना, bro.
Yeah.
Then
yeah
it's
You
not
watch
fun.
a real fight then if you're so interested in that.
Yeah.
Which is also fun.
UFC is amazing bro.
UFC is crazy.
Yeah.
crazy bro
It's always like obviously hit or miss with UFC. Sometimes you might be so excited for a fight and then they're just grappling for 5 rounds.
First round knockout.
Bro, don't say that shit, bro.
What?
What do you mean they're grappling for 5 rounds?
No, I'm saying sometimes
You don't like when they
I'm
grapple?
saying the appeal, the different
As
appeal
a
is
viewer.
तू WWE का match देख रहा है,
हाँ, it's always high impact.
कुछ तो
No.
crazy करके देंगे वो and you will enjoy
No,
it.
but if you understand the science of that, what is grappling and what they're doing now, that those puzzles that they have to solve, it's very entertaining.
But as an average fan, you don't know, na.
Average fan should sit
Average
and watch
fan, you
Pogo.
wanna
Average fan wants to see someone throw hands.
and blood.
yeah and blood
हाँ,
and
To
blood
see fucking
तो तुम
punches thrown.
WWE देखो, average casual fan who
वही तो
Yeah.
देख रहे हैं. Yeah.
तुम लोग का स्क्रीन टाइम कितना है रे आजकल
मेरा काफी बढ़ गया है, bro. Like I've been using Instagram a lot more frequently than I used to.
I haven't checked.
Screen time in general is very high because even if it's not phone, it's laptop, some work is happening. So
apart
like,
from doom scrolling because like मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है 10 घंटा चल रहा है bro it's a lot
10 घंटे?
screen time yeah
Oh, that means overall on the phone.
Overall on the phone.
Okay.
But still, that's a lot.
I would not
नहीं
know.
मेरा doom scrolling थोड़ा कम हो गया है. Like I go on it every once in a while to find reels to send to my girlfriend, like
Yeah.
daily quarter, like some reels you have to send, some funny reels, and then some reels for the boys I send. एक दो reel.
तो तू काम कर रहा है.
I work for Instagram actually. I work at Meta.
No, I feel like I've stopped scrolling a lot now.
Oh,
नहीं
yeah.
नहीं देख रहा हूँ मैं.
मजा नहीं आता है bro इतना अभी. Like there's
Like-
other things to do.
Yeah, I do
हाँ,
definitely.
for sure.
I listen to a lot of music now. Like most
Yeah,
of my
I also
time is
started
just
doing
going to listening to music.
Like new music, yeah,
No, just for gigs.
gigs.
Yeah. And just like house music, I've really gotten into it. Like I'm having that phase, you know, those guys who will like, bro, I can't listen to anything other than house music.
I get it, man.
I'm there, bro. After a couple of Goa trips last year, like I've come back and
Yeah.
like and there's और देसी hip hop में उतना माल नहीं आ रहा है आजकल. Like there's not.
That is true. That is true. सीधे मौत का
Seetha Moth will drop 30 songs, then I'll have shit to listen to for
Yeah,
the next
yeah.
year. But until then,
You're not listening. I mean,
DL91 chat लिया भाई मैंने पूरा. Like my Spotify Wrapped was DL91. All
DL91.
5 songs were from DL91.
you don't like any new artists that are coming out, or desi?
उतना exploration नहीं हुआ है मेरा.
Can I suggest an artist?
Sure.
Check out this guy called Shikriwal.
Okay.
Absolutely insane. It's something you might from this scene you've not heard music like this. He's from Jharkhand, if I'm not wrong. Just listen to this album.
हिंदी.
हाँ हिंदी में करेगा
Hip hop.
उसका लैंग्वेज का नाम मेरे को इट्स नॉट भोजपुरी इट्स समथिंग एल्स आई कांट रिमेंबर बट फकिंग लिसन टू दैट सोनिकली इट्स सो फ्रेश so
Oh,
fresh.
does it have like jazz in it?
Jazz in it. I mean, there are various components that make part of the
It's not
music.
hip hop, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's primarily a hip hop project, and this guy Shikriwal, who's from Jharkhand, he's really blowing up right now.
Okay.
Really, really cool. I'm also really digging all these sort of side missions that's happening in the hip hop scene. Whether it's ये क्या Red Bull का जो भी all that
The cipher type.
cipher type shit and talk about the Kolhapuri chappal and it opens your eyes towards so many different artists who you would not even think. Like for example, there's this song, "What's Up My Gang, Welcome to."
Yeah,
Have you heard that song? No, that's done by a rapper called Young DSA. He was clowned a lot by the casual audience. And including myself. Even I was like, "Hey, I don't see the skill of the rapper here." But you fucking watch him on that Red Bull shit, bro. You will lose it. This guy is insane, bro. The ability to throw, the ability to write, the bars are all so fucking nice. Very, very cool. There's very cool music coming from, even my music will come 23rd of January.
Let's
Listen.
go.
Oh, let's go.
So we've, and yeah. और कितने अच्छे artists हैं. Rebel is there, that girl MC. She's so good. Very, very good. She's from Meghalaya.
Yeah, she does it in English. I
She's
think.
primarily English. I think she does in a local language also. Then Dhanji's to there only. He's doing something fresh every time. है भाई काफी artists है. Siege, big. Even the producers, bro. I want to shout out some. Now we're just going down this.
Go for it.
Paying
Go for
homage
it.
to the hip hop.
Go for it, man.
Rich Cal, firstly.
Yeah.
Rich Cal. Then there's guys like Hadi. There's guys like Devonian. There's guys like Turjo. Who's
Turjo
done a lot
is
of
too
Arpit
good, bro.
Bala's. This new Arpit Bala project is so nice.
Yeah.
Bro,
You made me listen to it. I really enjoyed listening
I
to
only
it.
listen to it.
Yeah, it's
I've
really,
only
really
been
good. That
listening to it
super
for-
guy. I don't know much about him, but he sounds so good.
Yeah.
कौन है भाई? बहुत लोग हैं भाई. It's
New
a
age.
very
It's a new era of.
very very exciting time for music.
Yeah.
All these old Bollywood chaps are now they're doing shows and performing their music. I think they're moving out of the film world. It's a very fun time to be an independent musician right now. ये मेरा मानना है.
They're using that music for Bollywood, bro, anyway.
Yeah, a lot of them are now making it into Bollywood.
Correct.
Yeah, because the music really travels, and like
Yeah.
this generation Gen Z, they really fuck with independent artists, and
Yeah.
then those Bollywood guys also are making movies for Gen Z only.
Yeah.
So eventually, like you will have Arpit Bala songs in movies.
In movies,
For sure.
And that album is to Bollywood ready.
It's a Bollywood album.
Yeah, pura
I gotta listen
Bollywood
to this.
album.
Which one is this?
As in
It's called
there are
Keychain Lalu.
Why I'm
Keychain
saying
Lalu.
Keychain
Yeah,
Lalu
listen to
करके एक album. Why I'm saying Bollywood album is because there are compositions,
Yeah.
there's
They're all
instrumentalization.
love songs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, one more guy I want to shout out. Som. Shout
Som
out
also.
Som.
Som's also very fresh.
love that
now.
guy.
New, just so many it's a very fun time, man. And people, if you're into music, you've got to really explore and find all these guys. You know, it's
If you're into drugs, you should explore house music.
yes, and we will do that.
ये OTT की बात है. अभी अपन बाद में बात करते हैं.
चलो ठीक है.
Cool, let's call it.
Let's call it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Fuck. Solid.
मजा आया भाई.
बहुत मजा आया भाई.
Let's
Thank
go.
you,
Very
bro.
fucking banger shit.
करते हैं भाई. Let's do more episodes.
Let's do more,
100%.
bro.
I think now तो
The chemistry
Yeah.
is always there, bro.
yeah. Yeah, man, of course. चलो.
Solid.